to a note on compression and how you use it. The goal here is to tame the lows or the quiet parts of the signal and make them closer to the loud parts of the signal. So when you start using your fader to adjust where your vocal is sitting in the mix, that you find a nice place for it to kind of balance out and sit well in the mix, as well as shaping the front end of the track so that the words kind of pop out. Alternatively, you could always try the all buttons in mode on the 1176 for a really cool hyped effect. So let's give that a go here. So going all buttons in. So now that we've added the processing into the track, you can start to hear that the S's are starting to be a lot more pronounced and they're standing out a little too much.